Alright guys, if you have not downloaded the circles formula activity on Canvas, it's called the recap. Go ahead and download that. Hit pause and then come back. We are going to kind of skip this first part because that's what the video just showed you. But what shape are the pieces getting closer and closer to looking like? A rectangle or a parallelogram? So the formula for both of those could be area equals base times height. So we're going to use that. And again, they kind of showed you this in the video. They took this circle, broke it into pieces, and now it's that parallelogram. So area equals base times height. And we're going to replace those with what they're equal to in the circle. So the base is half of the circumference. So instead of 2 pi r, it's just pi r. And then the height is equal to the radius of the circle. So just like if we had numbers, 5 times 5, we could rewrite that as 5 squared. So area of a circle, pi r squared. We took this r times r, and that's what we got. We're going to use that now to apply it to a couple questions. Your homework that's due Friday by midnight has some questions just like this on it. So it says a circle is divided into wedges and arranged to form the parallelogram shown. We're going to select the statements that are true, and we're also going to change the ones that are false to make them true. So the base of the parallelogram, so this distance right here, is equal to half of the circumference. The video showed us that that's true. The base of the parallelogram is equal to pi. Well, if we look right back up here, it's not just pi. It's pi times the radius. So this one's not true. It should be pi r. The height of the parallelogram is equal to the radius of the circle. That one's true. We can either look back up or that's what they showed us in the video. Last one, the area of the parallelogram is pi r. Again, if we look right back up here, not true. The area of the parallelogram is the same as the circle, so that should be pi r squared. Second example like that, again, this one only has one that's true, so we're going to make the other 3 that are false true. The length of the top of the parallelogram, that's the same as the base, is half of the circumference, so that's the one that's true. So we need to figure out what's wrong with the rest of them. The base of the parallelogram is 2 pi. It should instead be pi times the radius. The height of the parallelogram is equal to the diameter of the circle. It's not the diameter, it's the radius. And then the last one, the area of a parallelogram is 2 pi r squared. That first 2 needs to be taken out of there. Area of a circle or of a parallelogram made from a circle is just pi r squared.